Hi Vote Fam! So I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. I have already started my foundation, my contour, and everything else. So starting with concealer, this is the e.l.f. concealer. I'm going to be laying this on my eyes, right on my eyelids. I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just blending that all in. Almost forgot highlighter. Don't want to forget that. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. palette, eyeshadow palette that my boyfriend got me. It's dirty, gotta wipe it off. And I'm applying that shade to my eyelid in the crease and just blending it out. Now I'm taking this really pretty gold shade with my finger because it works better. Tap off the excess, and then I'm just applying that to my eyelid. Now with a small little brush, I'm taking the second to lightest shade, the shimmery shade, and just applying that to my inner corner. So I wanted the look to be a little bit darker, so I'm taking that second to darkest shade from the end and applying that to my outer corner crease. Now with a small brush, I'm taking that first shade I had and applying it to my under eye. So I went and made it a little bit too dark than I wanted, so I'm taking a fluffy brush and just blending it out and softening it up a little bit. Now on to eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner. It has a really pointy tip, and I'm going to be doing a wing. Now I'm taking this black eyeliner and applying it to my upper eyelash line. For mascara, I'm taking this Maybelline Illegal Ink and applying it to my eyelashes. This is my favorite mascara ever. for eyebrows, I'm taking this gel mascara and I'm brushing out my eyebrows. You have to dry them to put the powder on. I'm taking this e.l.f. eyebrow palette and using the lightest shade and shading in my eyebrows. Now I'm taking this gold highlighter and highlighting my brow bone. So I couldn't decide which lipstick I wanted. Eeny, meeny, miny, this one. So this one I'm just taking and applying to my lips. Now that this holiday glam look is over, I want to thank you for watching this tutorial. Please go like and subscribe, and if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. Also, go subscribe to Ozark Outlaw, he would greatly appreciate it. And that's all I have for today's video. Goodbye, Boat Fam! I'm filming a makeup tutorial.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, get out.
Oh, hi guys.
No, I'm gonna edit it out.
Wow, this looks really cool. Nice background. This looks professional.
Thank you. Now get out.
Alright, love you.
Take the baby with you.
Where's baby at?
In the crib.
Why don't you just pause it?
Because I can just edit it out.
Oh, this was my tongue. You been crying?
Yes.
Yeah, you got you, baby. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
I love the shirt.
Huh?
I love the shirt.
Thanks. Like, get out. Love you.
Love you.
Babe, I'm gonna do a voiceover the whole entire thing.
Oh, so it's not even you talking, it's just you doing a voiceover or doing makeup?
Yeah.
So I can't hear any of this?
Uh-uh.
Are you gonna see my tongue go in the background?
I'm editing that out. So no. Cronin, come on.
I just need a bottle. I'm sorry.
Love you.